Hey guys, I hope you're doing good, and today I will show you how to download Onejam in PC, in the operating system in Windows, Linux and Mac. So let's begin the video.
You should take it slow.
So guys, see the video properly and I will show you how do you download Onejam in the PC. So before we download the game Onejam, we will create a free user registration account. The link is provided in the description. So in the description you can see, and after that if you open this you get a page similar like this, and it will be a page about this, and then you have to create your account. So now I fill my first name, my last name and email, and the password I choose whatever I keep that. Okay, so as you're seeing here, I'm entering my email ID onejamhelp@gmail.com, and then I need to fill the password I choose. So I won't tell the password to you, right? Yeah, so then after retyping your password, you choose your gender, what you are. If you're female, so go for the female. If you're male, so go for the male, and then you press the create option. After creating the account, you see that your account awaits to administrative approval. So what you have to do is to wait for few minutes or few hours, and then you get an email regarding that. So now I will show you that what is the next email I get it. So as you see, I got an email from the ANSIM, and then you can see that your account has been approved by the administrator, and then you get your login URL. So you don't have to do the login URL currently. You have to create an account, and then you have to download the application of the game. So how will you download that? I will show you. So then you need to open the browser. So for the browser you need to open Google Chrome. That's the fastest, I think, which is ever working right now. So if you have Google Chrome, you can go for that. The downloading link is also given in the description, and after opening that link, this is the download link. So now you can see that choose your operating system. So we have Windows, Mac, Linux. So we have three operating system here with us in Onejam, and then I have Windows, so I will select Windows. Okay, so if you have Mac, go for the Mac. And now we have a 32-bit and a 64-bit version. So if you have a 64-bit version and you have more than 4 GB memory in your laptop or your PC, then you need to click the download, which is in the red button there. And on the next, if you have a 32-bit computer or a PC or a laptop and it is less than 4 GB, then you need to download the red button there. So the both versions are different, and I hope you click the right away. And then after clicking the download, you see that the download has been started below. And then after downloading, I had paused the video. So after downloading, you need to open the application. Now you can see that you need to select your own preferred language. So I will choose English because I prefer English language for the game. And then you need to read if you want, or you can accept, and then you need to install. And then you see this box, you can do yes, and see you are getting all the contents of the game download and installed in your PC. So it's a very good sign for it. And then I will pause the video because it might take some time, but yeah, I will be back to you soon. So it's complete, and as you see, it took me a few minutes, and then you just have to wait, and you just have to click the application, and then it will automatically pop up the box. Okay, so it will install the hardware required for the game to run smoothly and excellently, and then you have to just wait for a couple of seconds to just let the game render on your device, and then it works very smooth. But unfortunately I do not have that specifications to run this game at a highest peak, but still I can run this game because I have an 8 GB memory and I have a good storage. And yes, I took the laptop recently, so it might be working well with this game also. So guys, after you see on the top that I see viewer tab, and then you have to open the viewer tab, and then in the next tab you see the preference tab, and you have to open the preference tab. To click preferences, you have to open OpenSIM, and at the white box at the top where my cursor is, you have to write a code which is in the description. You can copy from that and paste there, and you have to do OK from it, and then you have to enter your username. So I have already entered my username, and I have already written my password, and then your setup is just over yet, and now you have to directly log in from the button there. So guys, this is my old account and you can see how realistic these games look, and I personally feel this is my best game ever in the realistic way. And I really assure you that if you have a better PC requirements, this game gonna be blessed for you. You can enjoy events, games, you can play games, you can be connected, you can build houses. It's like you can develop everything what you want. It's like a real sim, you're living a real life in just a virtual avatar. So make my words, try this game. It's one of the best games and I'm always here to help you out. Okay, so enjoy this gaming.